Dan Hanrahan. I'm the Regional Sales Manager for the Southeast here at Fotokite. Fully NDAA compliant. We're actually headquartered in the U.S. in Boulder, Colorado, and our world headquarters is in Zurich, Switzerland. What we have here is an actively tethered drone. The Fotokite Sigma is actually the only actively tethered drone that is recognized by the FAA. It's a great tool for aerial surveillance and overwatch. By virtue of it being actively tethered, it has a max height of 150 feet, so it does not require a Part 107 operator's license to fly. The other huge differentiator of Fotokite is that it is electrically powered, not battery, so it can run literally for days and weeks on end. We build two different configurations. So we have a portable transport case model, which is built into a wheeled Pelican case. And then we have a rooftop box model as well, which is permanently installed on a vehicle and operates via clamshell with ribbon and clamps.